Hi everyone, welcome back to BORG Tutorials. I am Sanyokta Baghel, your ultimate guide for BORG ERP account setup. So now are you ready to make invoices in BORG ERP account? So before going that, have you added HSN code or SSC code in your BORG ERP admin account? So let's find out how you can add SSC code in your BORG account and what does it mean? Does it have so much vital importance in your account? So let's find out. So come here in our BORG ERP KB, that is kbborgerp.com. So here you can find what is HSN and SSC number. So actually this is the code that is internationally adopted by the commodity description and the coding system developed by the World Custom Organization, that is WCO. So HSN code is used by more than 200 countries as a basis of their custom tariffs. And again, coming back to the SEC code, so it is the service accounting code, that is the nomenclature adopted by the GST Council for identifying services delivered under GST. So this two things we need to add in our admin account before making any new invoice in your admin account. So how we can add these things in our account, let's see. So we will go to our admin account, and here in side menu bar you can see manage services. So actually we need to add all those services which you are offering to your clients. So here you need to add all those services one by one, and if needed you can download or export all these data at your end. So here we go, we can add from here. I will click on plus icon, and then here I get a form over here. So you need to add the service category. So I can go back and show you how it is being displayed in here. So you can see on this table, first of all, on this table service list, we are already having two services. Service categories, IT services and transportation charge. Now I need to add one more service list. So I will go to plus icon, and here you will get a form. So now I want to, if you want to add a new service category, then you can add from here on plus icon. You will click and you will get another option to write here. Say for example, I'm giving it a name as IT services. And then I am giving the name of services, say for example, data service charges. Now I can put the remark as well. Anything I can put, and the SSC code. So I need to put the SSC code. For that I need to Google it, that what is the particular code assigned for the IT services. So if you will Google it for the SSC code, you will get the 998311. This is the SSC code for IT services. So it depends upon the services what you are offering to your clients. If you're offering some other services, that means some other code will be applicable for your SSC ID in your account. So here I will click on add services and it will be done. So here it is showing that it is already in this account. So I have renamed it, and now it is done. So you can see over here, now we have added one more service, that is data server charges, and service categories IT service 1, and these are the details, and the SEC number is 998311. So this is how we can set the service list in your account, and it plays a vital role while you are making your invoices. You need not to put again and again the same ID while preparing invoices. This particular ID will be automatically fetched from here while invoicing. So this is how we make invoice with already fetched SEC ID or HSN code. So this is how we can add in our account. So if you find it useful, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much.